Yo, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can remove all the viruses and the temporary files in your Windows. There's gonna be two steps. Just have to do one of the two things that I'll tell you in the next step. For the first step, let's go to our local disk C and right click here, go to properties, disk cleanup, wait for it to load, clean up system files, and here select everything. If you don't need anything in recycle bin, as I have nothing though, but if you need something to restore it, else select everything, hit OK and hit delete file. I do this regularly so it's showing very less, but if you'll do it for the first time, you'll clean like 50 to 100 GBs of your base that is just temporary files and cache. While this happens, we just clear some storage. After that, there's gonna be a command in description. You can use this. It will clean all your temp, prefetch, all your things that you don't need that are just temporary files in your PC. Paste this in a notepad. After that, right click, rename it and change the .txt to .b8. Then right click on it, run as administrator, hit yes. It will clean all the temp. And for the final step, you can either use the built-in tool called MRT. You can run it, open it. It's Windows 2. It's reliable, but I don't use this. But I'm showing you this as an option. It's a malicious software removal tool. You hit next. You can do full scans if you have time. You can do quick scan and let it scan. It will delete all the malicious file on your PC. But the best thing with a UI like user interface is Malwarebytes. Just go to your browser and search for Malwarebytes, install it, open it. It's a free software. I use this and adware cleaner. These two things are way better than anything on the internet. Just hit scan. It will scan for everything. It took 2 minutes and 15 seconds to scan my PC and no threats detected because I do it regularly, to be honest. And just hit on done and you can just continue with free. If it shows you have virus, you can just remove it in the app. It will show you an option to remove. And the best part about this is you don't have to buy this. You can just use it for free. Either you can use Malwarebytes or you can use adware cleaner. This is also a removal tool from Malwarebytes, the same company. It removes the adware. You can use this as well. This works fine. Whenever I click on a free VWorks website or Robux website, I just run Malwarebytes and adware clean. And yeah, it works great. And that's how you remove virus on your PC. You don't have to do or buy a lot of like McAfee or anything. You don't need antivirus in 2026, to be honest. So yeah, this is it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye and peace out.